Shopify is a giant in e-commerce, powering countless online businesses. Now, they've unveiled a game-changing artificial intelligence tool to help anyone build an online store. This marks a bold leap for Shopify, fully embracing AI to make e-commerce more accessible worldwide. The tool's mission? Strip away complexity and let anyone launch a store with just a few keywords. Traditionally, starting an online store required technical skills and design know-how, big hurdles for many. Shopify's AI aims to flatten those barriers, promising a radically easier process. Imagine turning a business idea into a store in minutes, not weeks. The announcement has sparked major curiosity among entrepreneurs and Shopify users alike. Everyone's asking, can AI really design a beautiful, functional store from a few words? Shopify is confident their technology is ready to redefine how stores are created. This isn't just a new feature, it's a new way to build online businesses. The tool is part of Shopify's broader AI strategy, supporting merchants from store creation to marketing and customer service. AI is transforming industries everywhere, and Shopify wants to lead the charge in e-commerce. They're not just keeping up, they're setting the pace. This launch could open the doors for millions of new entrepreneurs. Shopify's vision: make online business possible for anyone, anywhere. With AI, the future of e-commerce is faster, simpler, and more inclusive. The era of AI-powered store building has officially arrived. Before AI, building a Shopify store was a daunting process, especially for beginners. Choosing from countless themes, customizing layouts, and picking colors required a designer's eye. Many struggled to make their store look professional, often feeling overwhelmed. Adding products was another challenge. Each needed a title, description, images, and pricing. Organizing products into collections and writing content for essential pages like About Us and Contact Us took time and skill. Mistakes in setup could hurt customer experience and sales. Setting up payment gateways, shipping rates, and taxes added more complexity, especially for international sales. These technical hurdles often delayed store launches and increased startup costs. Many turned to developers or designers for help, making the process expensive. Even with powerful tools, the old way was slow and intimidating. Not everyone is a natural writer or tech expert, so launching a store could take weeks. The process demanded attention to detail at every step. For many, the sheer number of tasks was overwhelming. The result? Great ideas often stalled before reaching customers. The traditional approach was powerful but not accessible to all. Shopify's new AI tool is designed to change that. It promises to make store creation faster, easier, and less stressful. The days of manual, complicated setup may finally be over. Shopify's AI tool flips the script on store creation. It all starts with a few keywords, your business idea in a nutshell. Type in handmade vegan candles or eco-friendly pet toys, and the AI takes over. No need for a detailed business plan or design brief. The AI uses your keywords as instructions, drawing on its knowledge of design trends and e-commerce best practices. It instantly crafts a store concept that matches your vision. This approach removes the need for technical skills or design expertise. Anyone with a product idea can get started, no mock-ups required. The AI translates your idea into a real working store structure. The barrier to entry drops dramatically. Now, the focus shifts from technical setup to the business idea itself. The process is as simple as telling an assistant what you want to sell. Shopify's AI acts as a virtual helper, making creative and structural decisions for you. This democratizes store creation, opening e-commerce to a much wider audience. The result: more people can turn ideas into businesses faster than ever. It's a fundamental change in how online stores are born. The AI's simplicity is its superpower. With just a few words, your store's journey begins. After you enter your keywords, Shopify's AI gets to work. It doesn't just pick a template. It generates a unique starting point tailored to your business. The AI considers your niche and suggests design elements that fit, like earthy tones for candles or bold graphics for gaming apparel. It creates a homepage layout, drafts placeholder text, and suggests product categories. Even sample product descriptions are generated, all based on your initial prompts. The goal? Give you a functional draft, not a blank canvas. The AI also recommends relevant imagery, pulling from stock libraries or generating custom visuals. For an organic coffee store, you might see images of plantations or steaming mugs. This visual content helps you instantly visualize your brand. The process saves hours of searching for the right look and feel. The AI handles font pairings, navigation menus, and product page layouts automatically. It ensures your store looks good on phones and tablets too. All these elements are built in, so you get a ready-to-edit online store. You can then customize further, but the heavy lifting is done. The AI's setup slashes the time and stress of starting from scratch. You're not just building a store, you're launching a brand with a head start. The process is fast, intuitive, and designed for real results. Shopify's AI makes the first step the easiest. Shopify's AI tool is more than a store builder, it's a launchpad for new businesses. One standout feature: AI-powered content generation. The AI drafts product descriptions, about us pages, and even blog ideas, helping those who struggle with writing. It also suggests branding elements like color palettes and logo styles to give your store a cohesive look. While not a full branding agency, it's a huge boost for new entrepreneurs. The AI can even help organize your products, suggesting categories based on your business type. For outdoor adventure gear, it might recommend tents, backpacks, and boots. The tool is interactive, give feedback, and the AI can regenerate layouts or content to match your vision. This makes the process collaborative, not one size fits all. You're not stuck with the first draft, you can refine until it feels right. The AI's flexibility is key to creating a unique store. It's like having a design assistant on call 24/7. Shopify's AI isn't just smart, it's adaptable. That's what makes it so powerful for new business owners. The biggest benefit? Speed. What once took weeks now takes hours, sometimes minutes. Entrepreneurs can focus on products and marketing, not technical headaches. Less time spent on setup means more time for growth. Cost is another advantage. No need to hire expensive designers or developers. The AI tool is included with Shopify, saving startups hundreds or thousands of dollars. This makes launching a business more affordable and accessible. The technical barrier drops, so anyone can create a professional-looking store. Coding skills or web design knowledge are no longer required. People with great ideas but little tech experience can now compete. The AI also builds stores using e-commerce best practices, boosting your chances of success. Mobile optimization and user experience are baked in from the start. It's like having an expert consultant guiding your setup. The result? More people can launch and more stores are set up for success. Shopify's AI is leveling the playing field for entrepreneurs everywhere. The future of online business is faster, cheaper, and more inclusive. Of course, there are challenges with AI-driven store creation. One risk: stores could start to look similar if many use the same tool and keywords. Customization and personal touches are still essential to stand out. Relying too much on AI can stifle creativity and brand identity. Business owners need to stay involved, shaping their unique story and value. AI is a starting point, not the final product. There's also a learning curve. Users must learn to guide the AI with clear keywords and feedback. Some trial and error is part of the process. Data privacy and AI ethics matter too. Shopify must be transparent about how business ideas and data are used. The AI should avoid copying designs or generating biased content. Trust in the AI's process is crucial for users. Shopify has a responsibility to handle information ethically and securely. Ultimately, human creativity and oversight remain vital. AI can accelerate the journey, but people make the store truly unique. The best results come from blending AI efficiency with personal vision. Plenty of AI website builders exist, but Shopify's tool stands out for one reason: deep e-commerce integration. It doesn't just build a website, it creates a fully functional Shopify store. The AI connects with Shopify's inventory and payment, shipping and marketing systems from the start. This means you're ready to sell, not just showcase. Other AI builders may look nice but lack true commerce features. Shopify's AI leverages years of e-commerce expertise and data from millions of merchants. It learns from successful stores and industry trends to make smarter suggestions. The result: more relevant designs, better content, and a store built to convert. Shopify's scale gives its AI a unique edge over generic tools. Plus, Shopify backs its AI with robust support, help resources, forums, and customer service. New entrepreneurs aren't left on their own. The AI simplifies setup, but Shopify's infrastructure ensures ongoing help. This combination of smart technology and strong support is rare. Shopify's AI is built for serious sellers who want to grow. It's not just about building a site, it's about building a business. That's what truly sets Shopify's AI apart. Shopify's AI tool isn't just a new feature, it's a sign of where e-commerce is headed. AI is making store creation faster, easier, and more accessible than ever. More people can now join the digital economy, leading to a surge in new and diverse online businesses. In the future, AI will handle even more advanced marketing, personalized customer service, and business insights. Store creation is just the beginning. AI could automate many routine business tasks. This frees entrepreneurs to focus on strategy and creativity, but as more stores launch, competition will rise. Unique products, strong branding, and great service will matter more than ever. The most successful businesses will blend AI efficiency with human ingenuity. Shopify's AI is a step toward a smarter, more dynamic e-commerce world. It empowers individuals and small businesses to compete and thrive. As AI evolves, its impact on online business will only grow. The future of e-commerce is being shaped by these innovations. For sellers and buyers alike, it's a more dynamic, accessible world of commerce.